Welcome to FP Markets. In this video tutorial, we will explain what FP Markets social trading is and how you can join our trading community and copy trade. Social trading is a great way for new traders who don't have much trading experience to start investing in the global financial markets. It allows you to join a global community of traders, review their trading performance, and copy their strategies in real time. In the FP Markets social trading platform, top-performing traders who share their strategies are called providers. As a follower, all you have to do is identify, follow, and invest in the strategies of providers of your choice, always considering your investment goals and risk appetite. If you're a more experienced trader, you can become a provider, grow your community of followers, and earn performance fees every time your strategies are copied. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on how to become a follower, find and follow a provider, and copy their trading strategy. Please note that to start social trading with FP Markets, you must have a verified and funded live trading account. Right, let's get started. Go to the FP Markets client portal. You can access this directly or from the FP Markets homepage. To sign in, you will need your email, password, and PIN. Once you have logged in, simply click on the Go to Social Trading button or Social Trading from the left-hand side menu. You will then get redirected to the FP Markets Social Trading Hub. Here, there are 5 different options you can choose from, including Overview, Leaders, Followers, Providers, and FAQs. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will choose Follower. So, click on the third tab and then press the Become a Follower button. A new page listing all the providers and their strategies will appear. Here you can view details about each provider's strategy, such as their profitability over different time periods, the minimum joining balance, how long their trading account has been active for, as well as what platform they are trading on, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Although providers are ranked based on their profitability, you can also filter and sort based on the parameters we just mentioned. Once you find the provider and trading strategy that best suits your investment goals and risk tolerance, simply click the Invest button. You will then be redirected to the provider's subscription registration page. This is where you will subscribe to follow and replicate your selected provider's strategy. Complete the form by selecting the server, entering your trading account and password. Review the provider's details and offer, including performance fee and minimum joining balance. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and press register. Please wait a few seconds for the page to load. This is your social trading portal, from where we will proceed to activate your subscription. Locate the provider and strategy, and click on the double gray arrow for the specific subscription profile to load. On this new page, you will need to click on the Actions button and select Activate from the drop-down menu to activate your subscription. You can also unsubscribe through here. Once you click on Activate, a pop-up asking you to confirm you would like to replicate the provider's trades will appear. Select Activate again. Your subscription has now been activated. Your social trading portal can also be used to monitor your trading and account activity. It is separated into 5 tabs: My Providers, My Portfolio, My Accounts, Transaction History, and Ratings. To view a list of your active and inactive providers, simply click on My Providers. If you click on the double arrow to the right of each provider listing, or on their name on the left, you can view detailed information about the provider's profile and strategy sharing settings. On your My Portfolio page, you can view all your subscriptions and their details, as well as your monthly profit and any performance fees incurred during your trading. You also have the option to subscribe to additional providers here by clicking the Create button and completing a new subscription form. By clicking on the My Accounts tab, you can view all your trading accounts and details such as balance and equity. For more in-depth details regarding performance fees, go to Transaction History where you can also view your most profitable subscriptions to date. To view all current live offers, i.e. providers and their strategies, go to the Ratings page. If you click on the nickname of a provider, you can get more detailed information about their trading activity and history, including returns, instruments traded, and more. You can invest in a provider's strategy from here too by just clicking on Invest and following the same process we did earlier. All the steps we went through in this tutorial can also be accessed in our detailed subscriber guide found in the Client Portal's Social Trading FAQs section. Please feel free to reach out to one of our customer support team members if you need any assistance or clarification.